How to fix Stalker 2 Heart of Chornobyl not launching from Xbox at Microsoft Store PC Game Pass. In this video, I'll show you simple step-by-step solutions to fix the issue when Stalker 2 Heart of Chornobyl won't launch from the Xbox app or Microsoft Store on your PC. Let's dive into the solution. Step 1. Check Xbox Live status. Open the link in the video description to access the Xbox Live status page. Ensure all services show as up and running green check marks. If you see a yellow triangle or red icon, Microsoft is experiencing issues. Wait until the service is restored. Step 2. Disconnect unnecessary external devices. Unplug extra peripherals such as HOTAS controllers or multiple monitors. Restart the game after removing unused devices. Step 3. Close background apps. Open Task Manager. Right-click the taskbar or press Ctrl plus Shift plus S. Identify apps like Discord, GeForce Experience, or any third-party overlays. Right-click each and select End Task. Step 4. Update your graphics drivers. Visit the website for your GPU and NVIDIA, GeForce drivers, and the Radeon software. Download the latest driver for your GPU and OS. During installation, select Custom Installation and check Perform Clean Installation. Step 5. Uninstall and reinstall gaming services. Install any available updates and restart your computer. Pause the video and open PowerShell as administrator. Run these commands so shall make use of this gaming service.